can't get some of this boat carpet off of here. Well, at least it's... Well, that wasn't as bad as I expected. Well, that was quick. Did not anticipate that, I can tell you. Alright, so I fucked up and deleted some footage. In my defense, I guess it really did say 1 second, so I thought I had accidentally made 2 1-second videos, but evidently that was not the case, and I deleted a shitload of me removing the bed footage, so sorry about that. I'll do my damnedest not to make that mistake again. Pretty much done with disassembling the backside. I gotta cut a shitload of rivets off. Some self-tappers, because, you know, somebody thought it was a genius idea to use self-tappers instead of just removing the fucking bed slats. What else is there? I think that's pretty much it for disassembly. I'm going to pull the rest of this paint off here before I pull this cab, and then we'll pretty much be done as far as this assembly. Then we'll start paint right up. Start getting some of this Bondo off of here. I may leave some of it, but you can hear the dogs being fucking stupid. I may leave some of this on here. I don't know. I don't know how deep it goes. I don't really care either way. As long as it looks good from afar, I don't care if it's far from good. I do need to pop these holes because I am probably going to weld these holes up. Then we'll start on patching this shit up. Then we'll get the front clip pulled. I know you guys can't see because the lighting's horrendous, but we'll get all that shit done, and then we'll be rocking and rolling, get some patch panels ordered. I don't know if I'm going to patch this. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but there's a couple pinholes here, some pinholes in the rocker. The rockers are getting redone. I don't know if I'm going to order patch panels for the door or not. Since some Daddy Trump bucks hit, I'm probably going to just order all the patch panels I need. This I'm probably not going to patch. I'll probably just make some sheet metal filler for this side. It's pretty rotted right here, but up into here it's super solid. Then once we get the bodywork shit done, we'll paint it. I don't know if I'm going to paint it piece to piece. I've got a Harbor Freight, like temporary garage, whatever you want to call it. The 10x10 temporary garage thing that I'll probably use as a paint booth. Once that's paint and all that stuff's done, that'll be time for decide what chassis swap we want to do. Yeah, so at that point we'll either try to be looking for a Tahoe, Trailblazer, preferably a two-wheel drive Trailblazer, two-wheel drive Tahoe as well. I do not want four-wheel drive. This truck is never going to be four-wheel drive, and I don't want to use a four-wheel drive donor if I don't have to. Anyway, if you guys have one or know of one in the mid-Michigan area that's not rotted all to shit, that still runs, please let me know, because I got cash monies, and if maybe I'll buy it way in advance. Then yeah, I guess we'll see you guys next time.